Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware 1891. Today we will discuss 10 best mobile app marketing with buying guides and reviews. In today's digital landscape, mobile app marketing has become increasingly crucial for businesses seeking to reach and engage users effectively. With millions of apps available across various app stores, standing out from the competition requires strategic planning and the utilize of powerful marketing tools. Fortunately, several mobile app marketing software options are available to help streamline the marketing process and optimize app performance. Here you will explore 10 of the best mobile app marketing software solutions along with their key features. So before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/@ best advanced software 1891. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1, App Annie. Let's know its features. Offer comprehensive analytics for app performance tracking. Its intuitive interface make data interpretations easier for marketers. The platform provides insight into competitors' strategies and performance. App Annie offer customizable report to suit various marketing needs. Number 2, Adjust. Let's know its features. Adjust offer detailed analytic for optimizing mobile app performance. Its prevention tools safeguard against malicious activities effectively. The platform provides customizable attributions tracking for diverse marketing channels. Number 3, Sensor Tower. Let's know its features. Sensor Tower provide comprehensive mobile app analytics and insights. It offer competitor analytics to understand market positioning effectively. The platform aids in optimizing app store presence for visibility. User-friendly interface simplifies data entry interpretations. Number 4, Apps Flyer. Let's know its features. Offer detailed analytics for tracking mobile app performance. It provides a user-friendly interface for easy campaigns management. Apps Flyer integrate seamlessly with various marketing platforms for efficiency. Offer robust security features to protect user data. Number 5, Tune. Let's know its features. Tune offers robust analytics for tracking mobile app performance. Its customizable dashboard provides insight tailored to specific needs, integrates with various ad networks for seamless operation. Tune's user-friendly interface simplifies campaigns management. Number 6, Localytics. Let's know its features. Localytics offer comprehensive user insight for targeting marketing strategies. It provides real-time analytics enabling quick adjustment to campaigns. The platform supports personalized messaging to enhance user engagement. Number 7, Branch. Let's know its features. Offer robust analytics for tracking for app performance metrics. It provides deep linking capabilities to improve user engagement. The platform integrates seamlessly with various mobile marketing channels, offers scalable solutions suitable for business of all sizes. Number 8, Mono Engage. Number 8, Mo Engage. Let's know its features. Offers comprehensive analytics for in-depth user insights. It personalized messaging features enhance user engagement and retentions, provide easy integrations with various third-party tools, offer scalable solutions suitable for business of all sizes. Number 9, CleverTap. Let's know its features. CleverTap offer comprehensive user segmentations for targeting marketing campaigns. Its real-time analytics provide valuable insight for optimizing marketing strategies. The platform support personalized messaging to enhance user engagement. Number 10, Mobile Action. Let's know its features. offer robust analytics for app performance tracking. It provides comprehensive ASO tools for optimizing app visibility. The platform facilitates competitor analytics analysis for informed strategy development, integrate with popular app store for seamless operations. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestadvancedsoftware.com. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware1891. Thanks for watching.